Hello, we're about to put together a WindScape TV stand. The parts will all be laid out like this. You want to take your parts out, lay them off to the side. I will explain the different parts as we put it together. Underneath the foam pad, you're going to find the base plate to the TV stand. Start by placing your base down. Next piece is this piece. It's going to line up here. Your hole's going to line up onto the pin here, onto the back here. You're going to see where you're going to screw in what we call a set screw. You're going to tighten that down. Make sure that's snug. Make sure your whole bracket is snug. Then you take your second piece. Again, you're going to line it up. Your pin is already going to be in there. And you're going to tighten down again your set screw. Take your final piece, set it up on the top, again lining it up, tightening your set screw. This top portion is for the graphic. Again, finding your set screw, tightening it down, making sure it's snug. This piece right here, this is for your TV mount, for when your TV connects to it. Again, you're going to find your set screw. You can lean it over, it's not that heavy. Again, find your set screw, and then tightening that down. Again, making sure that that's snug. Don't assume that it's tight. Just feel around. You're going to find that the back of the mount is already attached to your TV. TV's not very heavy. Lift it up. You're going to see little grooves and the hooks. They're going to fit into the TV mount. And then plug in your cord. And then again, you can just fasten the cord whichever way you want, running down the back of this inside the groove.
First thing you want to do is take your base plate, put it back in. And have this little cutout made for it. Put it back in. Then you want to put the foam back on top. Then each thing has its own little puzzle piece cut out for it.